this short period of 3 years plus, as against our opponent, who was also in the saddle as a governor for about 5 years. And so it's a vote of confidence on what we have done in terms of infrastructural development of the state, in terms of peace and security of the state, in terms of youth and women empowerment, in terms of education, in terms of health, and mention them. And so we believe that we may not solve the problems of Bayelsa under 3 years plus as a whole, but we have actually provided solutions, and that's what we are standing on. And with God on our side, we will come out victorious.
You heard your opponent say whether... That's all. Go.
I will stone you. A blind man says, I will stone you. For a blind man particularly, who you know is blind, is telling you he will stone you, it means that he's standing on a stone already. And so what we will do as a party, what we will do as a people, and let me tell you this, Bayelsa has gone beyond just political party. The people of the state are looking at good governance, not APC, not PDP. They are writing a testimonial for good governance for the candidate of the PDP. And so it borders and crosses party barriers. And so for us is to remove that stone that the blind man is marching and telling us that he will win. How? How are you going to win? You heard a former member of the House of Reps who just left the House of Reps, who came out to say, yes, nationally I am APC, but back home in Bayelsa, I am PDP, because the governor has done well, and because of that, I will not support the candidate of my party. And so in Bayelsa, this election is not just PDP and APC, it is about good governance. Thank you.